Hi guys, in this video I will tell you that how you can write content for your any business website very easy. Like I have this local business plumbing services website, so I want content for this. So using ChatGPT you can write all the content for your website. Like I will go here and I will write I have write a content for my plumbing web website. I have 4 pages: home, services, about us, and contact us. Here you can see guys, it's writing content for my website. Separately you can copy this text and paste here, like I will edit it and paste here. So guys, you can see here. So guys, please take advantage of this chat gpt and write content for all your business website. This is home page. You can generate more content, give headings and instruction. This is services page content, and you can see it's writing. Thanks guys, subscribe my channel. I will create more videos on chat gpt. Here guys, you can see it's home page services page.